And you guys have questions on this particular movement, ask me in your lessons, break it down to you. And then after that, we're going to do some graceful to the right, graceful to the left with snake arms, just by itself. All right. And then we have a shimmy. You got that shimmy with the snake arm. All right, let's try it one more time to the music. Woo, you guys got it. All right, here we go. Hits. Get those arms closed. Lean to the right. A snake arm. Lean to the left. Open. Close. Open. And close. Hit, 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 hit. Repeat. Make sure you close. Open. Lean to the right.